Good morning, ma'am. Um we are here to present our business, which is El Bonito Coffee Bar. Our coffee shop is called El Bonito because El Bonito means good. We choose this name because we want to reflect how and what people felt when they arrived. Coffee shops are great place to unwind because the calming scent of coffee and other beverages makes us feel comfortable and welcome from the moment we walk in. So, um, yung coffee shop po namin is um, ay nagsisimula pa lang po. So, and gusto din po namin maging yung coffee shop namin for other customers and magkaroon po sila ng better experience po. Kasi po yung coffee shop po namin is affordable lang po siya lalo na po sa mga target market po.
Strength. Our and strength in El Bonito, we are proudly giving our customer satisfaction and providing tourists looking and good ambience, good ambience and in our establishment and captative restaurant that you can smell as soon as you enter. You can already taste the delicious of the food. Uh, ang tawag na ito yung parang strength namin is para mag-akit ng customers sa establishment namin. Ayun yung parang uh, ginawa naming parang strength kasi ang tawag na ito madaling maakit yung tao kapag ano sa pagkain. Yung weakness naman namin, weakness after assessing and looking for things in by two area, we found that El Bonito lacks of activities can draw additional tourists or visitors. So yun, wala kaming masyadong uh, mabibigay sa aming mga customers kundi yung good service lang. Tsaka wala kaming ibang parang attractions, kumbaga parang sa El Bonito pagka pumasok ka wala kaming mga games ganyan, wala kaming mga palaro. Pero hindi naman siya totally boring na boring na place. Pang unwind lang talaga kung gusto mong tahimik ganyan. Opportunities, one of the destination biggest advantage is that it has already been featured on multiple TikToks and other social medias. Sa mga customers namin na mga pwedeng is tinatag sa TikTok ganyan yung sa opportunity na para mas makilala pa. Kasi maraming ganun na customers yung magta-tag sila sa TikTok or sa mga Facebook stories ganyan. Threats naman, given that our establishment is cafe bar with many other comparable places in the area, it may face risk from the competitors between two businesses. So yun, marami kasi nagtatayo ng coffee shops around kahit saan lugar, maraming coffee shops. Pero ayun yung risk namin na yung magkaroon kami ng mabigat na competitor, yun lang. Objective, El Bonito has goal to be for all seasons. We are strengthen our brand name because in that we can recognize by our customers by giving them best service that we can, and I make them satisfied with our experience giving to them. Our business is targeting large customers based by attracting them in our service given. Ayun yung sa objectives namin, parang tawag na nito, para mag-stand out kami sa all seasons, kailangan naming maging recognizable sa mga tao. Tsaka para magawa yun, kailangan namin silang bigyan ng large expectations sa pagpunta nila o kaya sa yung bibigyan namin service para yung customer satisfaction nila is parang ma, ma maganda yung feedback ngayon. Experience. Ayun lang.
Since our establishment is about cafe, resto, bar, so the target market will be good for everyone. Kasi cafe, pwede siya sa mga teenagers who loves coffee, and then sa mga teenagers naman or adults na who loves hanging out with their friends, especially at night. So sila yung mga most probably target market namin.
Marketing strategies. Content marketing. Content marketing, valuable and relevant content through blogs, posts, articles, videos, and TikTok, as well to establish expertise and attract your audience. So they can get to know our coffee shop better. El Bonito offer the best for our customers. Content marketing, ito yun, nilalaman gumawa ng mahalaga at may katuturang nilalaman sa pamamagitan ng mga post, vlogs, and videos or TikTok. And then, pati na rin, para matatag ng kadalughataang at makakit ang iyong madla. Para makilala yung mga para makilala yung shop or establishment nyo. And then, email marketing. Email marketing, build and maintain a mailing list for newsletters, promotions, and personalized communication for El Bonito. Email marketing, bumubuo at magpanatili ng isang mailing list para sa mga newsletter, promotion, at personalized na konektado sa El Bonito. Customer loyalty program. Customer loyalty program reward customers for repeat business through loyalty programs, discounts, or exclusive access. Customer loyalty, kumbaga yung mga customer dito, meron silang discount at mga exclusive access. And then branding. El Bonito established a strong brand identity with a memorable logo, consistent messaging, and a compelling brand story. Branding, El Bonito magtatag ng matibay na pagkakakilanlan ng brand na may hindi malilimutang logo, pare-parehong pagmemensahe at nakakahimok na kwento ng brand. And then, social media marketing. Social media marketing, yun lang.
So, ayan yung timetable natin. Kung napapansin nyo, hindi siya ganun kalaki. Hindi tayo gagastos ng malaki. Kasi, nasa process pa lang tayo ng pagsisimula sa business natin. Hindi naman pwede na nagsisimula tayo tapos gagastos na agad tayo ng malaki tapos higit-higit pa sa kinikita natin. Tulad nung sa advertisement, nasa 8,100 lang siya. Kunwari, kung tutuusin pwedeng mga poster, tarpaulin, ganon. Pero kung sa billboard, hindi pa siya pwede. Kasi walang murang billboard na hanggang 11 to 13,000 lang. So, as long as possible, yung mga gagastusin natin ng year na yan is yan lang yung pinakakasya sa budget natin if ever. Tapos, pag nalalaman na natin kung paano yung kilos kung paano yung kilos sa business, habang tumatagal, lumalago din yung kita natin. So, habang lumalago yung kita natin, lalaki rin yan. Pero yun nga, sabi ko, hindi pa rin tayo pwedeng gumastos ng sobra. Baka kasi malugi tayo. Tapos pag nalugi tayo, hindi na siya ma-recover or mahihirapan na tayong maka-recover ng business. So, yun.
Next is budget. Creating a budget for our coffee shop, which is El Bonito marketing efforts. Careful consideration of various factors. So in El Bonito ay nangangailangan maging maingat sa pagpaplano at pagpapatupad. And also, kailangan din ng sunod-sunod na gabay upang matulungan kang gumawa or bumuo ng establishment na perfect like El Bonito Coffee. Tapos, especially sa budget, dapat alam mo yung mga needs ng coffee shop mo para hindi ka ma-out of budget. Kailangan alam mo dapat yung mga gastos. Dapat magko-costing ka muna bago ka bumili ng mga gamit. Ayun. Thank you.
So, the overall goals or kung bakit po namin ginawa yung marketing plan for our establishment is to show na ito yung plano namin para sa establishment namin. Since bago pa lang kami, nag-i-start pa lang, ito yung gusto naming makamit in the next future para sa establishment namin. And ito yung gusto namin na sana mag-grow yung establishment, makapag-produce ng ibang branches, and then makapag-grow din ng mga customers and palaguin pa yung business namin in the future. Kaya po namin ginawa tong marketing plan namin. So, ayun lang po. Thank you.